In this video, I'm going to show you hands down the best CPA marketing method that you can do as a beginner if you want to earn your first commission today. I'm going to show you the exact network that you can join. I'm going to show you exactly what offer to promote. We're going to promote it live on camera together. And I'm going to show you the free traffic source that you can use to start getting commissions. I'm also going to show you at the end of the video, if you stay until the end, how you can 5 times your commission just by using a simple trick. So I do recommend you stay until the end. We'll go to my computer now, make sure you take notes, and we'll get into the video. Okay guys, so because this is a beginner tutorial, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So go to Google and search for CPA Grip. Now what we're going to do, we're going to join CPA Grip because it's the easiest network to join. It's beginner friendly and we can find some high converting CPA offers on here. Go ahead and go to register in the top right hand corner. Here if we scroll down, you can see we can sign up now. So go ahead and enter in your first name and last name. You don't need a company, you don't need a website. Go ahead and enter in your address here. Under publisher type, go ahead and enter other. Then enter in your email address, password. Scroll down, where did you hear about us? At YouTube. And then go ahead and register now. Once you've registered, you'll then be able to log in straight away to your account. So here we are on the CPA Grip page. You can see there's a chat room here of people who have made quite significant amounts of money. So this person's made $8,000. This person's made $28,666. And you can find people and talk in this chat about different methods. Now, once again, the method that I'm going to show you is completely free. And you can get started and earn your first commission today. So here we are on CPA Grip. We just want to go now to Offer Tools and then go ahead and go to My Offers. That will then take you to all of the offers which are available right now. The first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and filter for the US because most of the traffic we're going to get is going to come from the US. So once we've done that, we can now scroll down and see different offers. So here we've got different offers. And a lot of these offers are going to be like giveaway, email submit type offers. Now, if you're a beginner and you don't know what an email submit is, it basically means that all you need to do is get someone to enter in their email. And once they've done that, you'll be paid. So they don't have to buy anything. They don't have to enter in any credit card details or anything like that. They simply just have to enter in their email and you'll be paid. You can see how much you'll get paid here. So $2 for one email, $2, $2.31, $2.57, and so on. Now what we're going to do, we're going to promote the PayPal giveaway styled email submits. So if we go ahead and click on the first one here, act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. This is going to be a giveaway. What we need to do is get people to go to this giveaway and then enter in their email. Now you can see here we can choose a tracking domain and it's going to then generate our CPA Grip link. And this will be the link that we send to people. Now first we're just going to preview the landing page, make sure it's all good, and see what our visitors are going to have to go through in order for us to get paid. Now we're going to get paid $2.05 for each lead. So we're going to go ahead and copy the link, and I'm just going to open it in a new tab and paste it in here. So here is the landing page. You can see our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped act now. Your traffic is going to have to go through 3 questions. Do you have PayPal? Yes. How old are you? How many times do you use Facebook? And then they'll be redirected to this page. When they enter in their first, last name and email, you will then get paid. And that's the great thing about CPA marketing. We don't have to get these people to buy anything or even add in their credit card details. All we have to get them to do is enter in their first name, last name, and email, and we're going to get paid. Also, I'm going to show you here how we can get targeted traffic to this page. So a lot of the people that you do send do actually convert. So we just want to head back over to CPA Grip now and just make sure you've got the link copied here to your clipboard. Then you can go and exit out of that. And we're now ready to promote the offer. Now what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and come to Facebook and just make a new Facebook account because we're going to be using Facebook to send targeted free leads to our giveaway. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come to the Facebook search engine and we're going to search for giveaway. Once you've done that, go ahead and go to groups, which will be at the bottom here. And then you should see all of these different groups here with giveaways. So earn free $1,000 giveaway free money giveaways, free giveaways, and these have all got significant amounts of members. So you got 21k, 17k, 24k. So go ahead and open these in new tabs. So go ahead and open in a new tab. I'm going to do that for a couple of these giveaway groups and then I'll be back. Now here we can see we've got the group open. Now you want to scroll down and just kind of see what's happening in the group. Some of these aren't going to be very good because there's just a lot of spam. You will, however, find good ones with not a lot of spam and people actually entering and submitting giveaways. Now we're not just going to go ahead and spam our link in these Facebook groups because a lot of people aren't going to click on our links that way. We're going to do something kind of sneaky and quite clever, which is going to result in a lot more commissions. So on these giveaway pages, you want to go to people and then scroll down, and here you'll see new to the group. Now, these are people who are new to this giveaway group who are looking for giveaways right now. What you need to do now, you need to go ahead and add these people as a friend. So open up their profile and you can go and add these people as a friend and then message them. So now we've got them added and we've got the message box open. Now remember, these are people who want to enter in giveaways, and this person has just joined the group 1 minute ago. So if we go ahead and give him an opportunity to enter a giveaway, which will be our CPA link, then he's probably going to go ahead and enter that giveaway. So go to Facebook and just go ahead and type something like this. So you want to go ahead and type something like this. Hi, I noticed you joined the giveaways group that I'm in. I've been using it for a while. I've got a PayPal giveaway link if you're interested. And then just go ahead and send that. Now we've got that sent and we're just going to go ahead and wait for his reply. We can now do the same thing for all of these people here who have just joined. Not only that, we can do this in multiple groups. So if you go to people on another group, you've got more people here who are new to this group as well. Then if he says he's interested, all you need to do is just go ahead and send him your CPA grip link. Now here's a quick tip. If you want to increase your commissions and get these people more likely to click on your link. Now you can see this link is quite long and a little bit spammy, and you can go ahead and send this and people might click on it. But what I recommend you do is go to Namecheap and register a cheap domain for under a couple of dollars. See, we can register a Giveaways Today domain here for $3, or we can register the .com version for $9, and then we can go ahead and redirect this domain to our CPA grip offer, which is here. I'm not going to cover how you can do that in this video, but just know it's pretty easy. You can find a YouTube video for it. If this video helped, please do leave a like and make sure you do subscribe for more Make Money Online videos.